Oh wait, I have it on video still.
Oh my God! Now what you said?
What's your name?
My name is Shaniqua Shanae LaQuisha Latacia Mauricia La Microwave. AKA Bonifa Latifa Halifa Sharifa Jackson. But Maria Juana Gripina Perez over there crossed the border yesterday. My mom dog told me about her. Maria don't wear white shoes? Maria? She's wearing black shoes today, but she usually wear white. Payless shoes, girl. Payless shoes. Name brands of Payless shoes. Maria! Or like the American shoes. Mariah!
Emma, how the world we get you 1.5 bottles of giant vodka, a bottle of whiskey, like 5 packs of beer, 2 bottles of tequila, and a bottle of Malibu, and half a bottle of wine. How the fuck did that happen? Too much drinking. We all need AA next year.
Girl, if anybody needs AA.
You just burnt your hand. You're an alcoholic. I'm not even drunk right now. I swear to God. Well, that's because burning my hand sobered me up hella quick. Nothing like burning yourself and be like to wake you the fuck up.
First of all, you're what Phoebe Buffet from Friends would call Loopy. You are
That's his mom.
That's my mom.
Maybe from Friends.
No, Loopy as in Loopy.
Okay. Not Luppy.
Loopy.
Again, ladies and gentlemen, I do not know these people.
They need help. Seriously.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Who is free of sin?
I am free of sin,
That's
thank
the
you.
first stone, bitch.
Bitch, here you go.
You missed.
Oh, well.
See?
I never said I was